I'm at Rousseau's RV in Lakeville, Mass, taking a look at the updated 8329 floor plan for Rockwood. Originally the 8329 SS, now this is the 8329 SB. Biggest change being that they've added a reading nook in the front bedroom, which has allowed for outside storage, a pass-through storage, and let me show you that first off here. So the original 8329 lacked this large pass-through storage. Actually, the biggest downside to that floor plan was limited outside storage. So Rockwood has addressed that with this new 8329 SB. And this is a true 2020. So the colors, the designs, the graphics, this is what a 2020 built after July of 2019 is going to look like. Total length on this trailer is just over 35 feet, including the hitch and the bumper. It has 3 slide outs, a rear living room with lazy boy rocker recliners, a kitchen island, fireplace, Corian countertops. We got this with an oven, hide-to-bed sofa, which you can see over there. Now this is the new stone interior, which is an update on Rockwood's pebble interior. A little bit darker than the pebble. It's kind of dark in here. I'm kind of parked near the woods on a cloudy day, so I apologize for that. See how this turns out. I like the chairs here. But let's check out the bedroom, because that's the area that's been changed the most. They've added that front nook. And it looks like standard king bed now in this floor plan. So I have a large sliding wardrobe. More drawers. There's tons of storage. The new place for the TV mount is over here in the corner, so you need a swivel to get it out. There's your front window. Looking out the front window. Bathroom on the side, so you don't have to walk through the bathroom, but it's right near the bedroom. Now there's a stainless steel sink in the bathroom. Shower miser. Okay. And of course the freestanding table and chairs. Let me get a good shot of the entertainment center with the fireplace. It's a little tough to see, but you can get a little look at it there. So here's the updated 2020 8329 SB at Rousseau's RV Center.